everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make a creamy corn and pepper chowder. It's gluten-free and it can be dairy-free and vegan as well. If you're new to my channel, I'm Julie with Mint Personal Chef and I release a new cooking video every week. So hit subscribe and stay updated for the latest cooking videos and recipes. Special announcement, guys, I have a huge project I've been working on to help you with meal prep. So if you're one that struggles with meal prep and you want to create more delicious, healthy meals, then you're going to want to check out my newest course online. It's called Mint Meal Prep Academy, and I teach you all the basic skills and cooking techniques for meal prepping so that you can prep more efficient, healthy meals just like a chef for yourself. If you're interested, check out the link below. And I'll see you soon. Happy eating!